Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 1 by your presenter Gilbert Wamba. We are briefly going to talk about classification of living things, and yes, of course, when you hear about classification of living things, what really comes in your mind? First and foremost, we have to talk about the meaning of the word classification. Classification simply comes from the word class, and what is a class? Class is a group of things. So scientifically, we shall say classification is a grouping of living things according to their characteristics or the features. Then living things. If you get a question, what are living things? Living things are simply organisms that carry out life processes, briefly like that. And when you are in primary 2, primary 3, even primary 1, I know that you learned about living things and you had the answer as the things that have life. So we shall summarize and say living things are organisms that carry out life processes. These life processes are quite many, meaning that it has connected us to the characteristics of living things. So among these characteristics, one being living things reproduce, locomote or simply move, respire, breathe, respond to stimuli, among others. So we shall have a brief explanation about all these characteristics. Of course, we shall have to start with feeding. When we say living things feed,